to family SUVs, safety matters more than ever, and the all-new 2026 Hyundai Palisade is proving exactly why it stands out. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade recently earned the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's highest award, the Top Safety Pick Plus designation. That recognition reflects Hyundai's continued focus on crash protection, driver assistance technology, and real-world occupant safety. But the Palisade offers more than just safety ratings. It delivers a premium SUV experience designed around everyday families. The IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus Award is one of the most respected safety recognitions in the automotive industry. To earn it, vehicles must perform at a high level across multiple crash and safety evaluations. The 2026 Palisade received high marks in moderate front overlap testing, small overlap crash testing, side impact protection, pedestrian crash prevention, and updated front crash prevention evaluations. This award reflects Hyundai's commitment to building vehicles that help protect drivers and passengers in real-world situations. Palisade includes Hyundai SmartSense safety technologies designed to help drivers stay aware and confident on the road. Features include lane keep assist, driver attention warning, forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection, rear occupant alert, and high beam assist. These systems work together to help support safer driving in everyday conditions. The goal isn't to overwhelm drivers with technology, it's to make driving feel easier, more intuitive, and more secure. The Palisade was designed with families in mind. Inside, the three-row cabin feels spacious, refined, and practical. There's room for passengers across all rows, flexible cargo space for everyday life, and premium materials that make the interior feel far more upscale than many traditional family SUVs. Everything feels intentional, comfortable, and ready for long drives, road trips, and daily routines. The 2026 Palisade combines strong SUV styling with a more refined and modern design language. From the lighting signature to the sculpted exterior lines, the Palisade feels upscale from every angle. Inside, the clean dashboard layout, digital displays, and premium finishes create an experience that feels closer to luxury than expected. It's a family SUV designed to feel sophisticated without sacrificing practicality. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade delivers what modern SUV buyers are looking for most: advanced safety, smart technology, premium comfort, and real confidence behind the wheel. Come experience the 2026 Hyundai Palisade for yourself at Tustin Hyundai. And for more vehicle walkarounds, automotive technology, and the latest Hyundai content, make sure to subscribe to the Patterson Autos YouTube channel.